Funding for
Open Season Call of the Nature
has been provided in part by...
Don't miss out on this incredible adventure. Time is running out, so pre-register now and be the first to jump into epic worlds.
This summer at Knott's Berry Farm, surf's up and over and around and upside down on the all-new Hang Time opening May 18th. It's the first and only dive coaster in California. It's time to hit the waves and get your tickets at knotts.com.
And by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, these generous supporters, and by viewers like you. Thank you.